Welcome to Easy Stories in English, the podcast that will take your English from okay to good and from good to great. I am Ariel Goodbody, your host for this show. Today's story is for beginners. The name of the story is Stone Soup. Okay, I'll just explain some words that are in today's story. A stone, S-T-O-N-E, is a big grey thing that you find on the ground. Stones are used to build certain things like houses or walls. You can throw stones at someone if you want to hurt them. There is a famous story called Stone Soup about using a stone to make soup. Oh, that's this story. A pot, P-O-T, is a big round thing that you cook food in. You can cook sauces, stews, and soups in pots. A saucepan is a special kind of pot. An ingredient, I-N-G-R-E-D-I-E-N-T, is a piece of food that you use to cook something else. For example, the ingredients to make cake are eggs, flour, sugar, butter, and so on. Some food needs lots of ingredients, and some food only needs a few ingredients. Food is always better when you cook with fresh ingredients. Taste, T-A-S-T-E, is how food feels in your mouth. Basically, it is whether it is good food or not. For example, I think McDonald's tastes good, but some people think it tastes bad. I think dark chocolate tastes better than milk chocolate, but you might think the opposite. Delicious, D-E-L-I-C-I-O-U-S, food is food that tastes really good. Often, expensive food is delicious and cheap food is not so delicious. But you can make delicious food at home with inexpensive ingredients if you're good at cooking. I am not. A nail, N-A-I-L, is a small sharp metal thing that you use to connect two pieces of wood. For example, when you are making a bookcase, you need to nail the shelves together. You can also use nails to hang things up. For example, you can put a nail in the wall and hang a picture on it. An axe, A-X-E, is a big tool that you use to cut down trees. It has a long handle and a large blade. Nowadays, we don't use axes so much because we have machines to cut trees for us. Axes can also be used as weapons. For example, Gimli in Lord of the Rings uses axes, and so does Jack Torrance in the film The Shining. When something gets stuck, G-E-T-S-T-U-C-K, it stops and cannot move anymore. For example, if you are driving and there is a lot of mud, dirt, your car might get stuck and then you can't drive anymore. Or maybe you are doing really difficult maths homework and you can't solve a problem. You get stuck and can't move on. When you cannot get air into your body, you suffocate. S-U-F-F-O-C-A-T-E. Like, you might suffocate because some food got caught in your throat, or because something is stopping you from getting any air. Suffocating is a horrible way to die, I think. The owner, O-W-N-E-R, of something is the person who owns, who has something. For example, if you buy a dog, it is your dog. You are the owner. If you buy a house, then you are the owner of the house. You can also own a restaurant, a computer, and so on. Okay, so listen and enjoy. Stone Soup. Once, a man was travelling across the country. He was very poor. One day he arrived in a town and he had no more food. He asked the people for food, but nobody wanted to talk to him. So he went into the center of town with a big cooking pot. He made a fire, put a stone in the pot, and filled it with water. An old woman walked past and saw the pot. "What are you making?" she said. "Why, I'm making stone soup." "Don't tell me you have never eaten stone soup. It is delicious, but I think it needs some more ingredients. Then it will taste really good." "I think I have some carrots," said the old woman. She went and brought some carrots and put them in the pot. Then an old man came and saw the pot. "What are you making?" he said. "It's stone soup." "Another person who doesn't know stone soup. I cannot believe it. It is the most delicious soup in the world. But I think it needs some more ingredients. Then it will taste really good." "I have some onions, I think," said the old man. He went and brought the onions and put them in the pot. Next, a young woman arrived and saw the pot. "What soup is this?" she said. "There is a stone in it." "Of course," said the man. "It is stone soup. You don't know what it is, do you? This town is so strange. It is the best soup in the world, but I think it needs some more ingredients. Then it will taste really good." "Well then, let me go and get some chicken. All good soups have chicken." So she went and brought some chicken and put it in the pot. Then came a young boy and a strong man and a sick woman. They all saw the stone soup and they all brought ingredients to add to it: eggs, potatoes, salt, pepper, and so on. Finally, the poor man said, "The stone soup is done." He took the stone out of the pot and they all took a bowl of soup. It was delicious and everyone in the town enjoyed it. The next day, the man wanted to leave the town, but the people said, "Please tell us how to make stone soup. We want to make it every day." The man said, Well, you cannot use any stone. It has to be a special stone." "I know. I will sell you my stone. Then you can make stone soup forever." So the people all gave him some money, and he left the town with lots of money. Next, he went to another town. There he bought a nail, and he made nail soup in a big pot. Again, he told the people that nail soup was the best soup in the world, and they all helped him make it. The next day, they asked him to tell them how to make nail soup. Well, you cannot use any nail. It has to be a special nail." "I know. I will sell you my nail. Then you can make nail soup forever." This time, they gave him more money than the first town. Now he was very rich, but he wanted more money. So the man went to a third town, and this time he used an axe and made axe soup in a big pot. Again, he told the people that axe soup was the best soup in the world, and they all helped him make it. The next day, they asked him to tell them how to make axe soup. Well, you cannot use any axe. It has to be a special axe." "I know. I will sell you my axe. Then you can make axe soup forever." This time they gave him even more money. Now he was very rich. He went to a big city and lived in a hotel. He did not need to make stone soup anymore. He paid men to make soup for him. One day he was eating a big bowl of soup, but there was a stone in it. He ate the stone and it got stuck and he suffocated. "What are you doing?" said the owner of the hotel to the chef. "There was a stone in that man's soup. Now he is suffocating. Help him." The chef hit the man in the back, but the stone was still stuck. It was a big stone, like the stone the man used to make stone soup. The chef hit him again, but the stone was still stuck, so the man suffocated and died. The end.